Hey guys, it's Sarah and today I'm making a vegan caramelized apple bread pudding using Violife. It is the perfect pudding for the festive period and your friends and family will absolutely love it. Let's get started. So first up, I'm gonna caramelize my apples. I've got some vegan butter and let it melt. Now that my butter has basically melted, I'm gonna go in with some brown sugar. So we're just gonna let the brown sugar completely melt into the vegan butter. And that is gonna be the base of the caramel. Already looks so delicious. So next up, I'm gonna go in with some diced apple. I've got about 4 apples here that I've diced up. Make sure I coat all of those pieces of apple in that brown sugar and vegan butter mix. And I'm gonna cook that for about 5 to 6 minutes, just until the apples slightly soften. I love apples. So now that my caramel has thickened and is completely coated all of those apples and is looking delicious and sticky, I'm going to take it off the heat and leave it to cool, and we're going to get on with the rest of our bread pudding. Now I'm going to make a lovely vegan butter mix that's going to infuse my bread with loads of flavour. So I'm going to start off with some vegan butter. Pop that right into the bowl. Next up, orange zest, ground ginger, and finally some ground cinnamon. So I'm gonna just give that a stir together, make sure it's completely incorporated. So now that I've mixed that together, it's got a really lovely consistency and has such an amazing, delicious smell. It smells literally like Christmas. So now I'm gonna spread my vegan butter mix all over my lovely day-old bread, slice it in half and place it right into this dish for my bread pudding. So now that my bread is completely covered in that vegan butter mix, I'm gonna bring back in those caramelized apples that have cooled down slightly, and I'm just gonna spoon them all over the bread. Now that all our apples are in, we're gonna leave this to sit and let it soak up all of that lovely, delicious caramel sauce, and I'm gonna crack on with our custard. So first up, I'm gonna go in with my Violife, followed by some soy milk. You can use whatever vegan milk alternative you've got. Then I've just got some caster sugar, some vanilla essence. Finally, I've got some corn flour, and this is gonna give our custard a lovely thick consistency. So this custard is starting to thicken, it looks so delicious. The Violife has such a great texture and it is a really, really good vegan alternative to cream. It goes perfectly in so many dishes. So now that my custard is lovely and thick, I'm just gonna test it out with this wooden spoon, and it's a really good trick to find out if you've got your custard at the right consistency, because it will just coat the back of the spoon like that and you drag your finger through. It's perfect. It's delicious. So I'm gonna pour my lovely thick custard all over those apples and my bread that's been set to one side. We're gonna bake it at 200 degrees for about 25 minutes until it's golden brown, and then it's ready to serve. It's so delicious, guys. It's packed full of flavor, from the delicious caramel to the apple, the cinnamon we put in there, the orange zest, and of course, the amazing Violife throughout the custard. Delicious. This is a perfect dish to share with your friends and family over the festive season. Give it a try and let me know how you get on, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.